this session. Greetings everyone. So welcome to this session for Python Selenium hands-on session. This will be approximately 2 hours. We'll be covering topics like what is Selenium and what are different scenarios that a UI automation engineer would face, and hands-on automating the scenarios of testing. So these are all the topics that we'll be covering in this 2 hour sessions. And by the end of the session, you will know how to tackle almost any situation that a UI automation test engineer would happen to see in his or her career. So there is a set of examples, like around 26 examples of core automation, like challenging situations. Once you are good with these 26 scenarios, I think you can build up your skill over these test cases to face almost any situation very easily. Okay. So the prerequisites for it is you'll be using Python 3 plus, which you should be very familiar with, at least in the object-oriented way and the scripting, as most of the scripting is taken care by this Python 3 plus. And CSS selectors and XPath. I think these two are relatively optional. We'll be seeing how to use these two as part of automation testing along when we code. But it's a good thing to have a head start on these items. I'll be sharing few links with you in the description as well, if you want a quick refresher on this item, and access to selenium.video. So this is where you'll code along. I recommend you to code along with me, so that you'll be having a good grasp of what is going on. So yeah, let's see what is Selenium. Selenium is a popular open source testing tool used for web application testing. So that's the simple thing. To put it simple, it's a tool for automating the test scenarios of UI. So it enables testers to write automated tests in various programming languages. We are now right now dealing with only Python, but the same Selenium library can be used, a tool that can be used in with other programming languages like Java, Node.js, a JavaScript environment, and C Sharp, many other languages. So Selenium tests can run on different sort of browsers and also operating system. So please check out this official documentation, https www.selenium.dev. You'll be having a good examples of this Python and Selenium here. So I think we are good to start. We can go ahead with the hands-on session. Yeah, this is the website that I recommend you to follow. Let me zoom in. Okay. I think selenium.video. So I'll be sharing the same link here in the description. So this is the website that you want to have access to. So just log in into this. You might want to use your Gmail account to use that. And once you are logged in, you'll be having all the access, like writing the code and running the code with no issues. So let's see the very basic example in the next session, like how to run a basic Selenium code from this website, and we'll be seeing through all the different scenarios that are here, like how to navigate, how to click on link, or how to locate elements, or how to upload a file, how to download a file, how to take screenshot, how to handle alerts. I think these 26 scenarios are good enough to build a basic foundation, very solid foundation, and all the challenging situations that you face in the real world are actually built upon these 26 scenarios. I think you're big good enough to go and start working as a Python Selenium automation engineer. Thank you. Please feel free to join my next session, which will be going through how to run this Selenium online. Thank you.